Hello friends, this is Dr. Shashi Agarwal. I welcome you all. Today our subject is cost accounting and we are going to do a very significant topic, that is the difference between the cost accounting and the financial accounting, or comparison between the cost accounting and the financial accounting. It's written out there already, available at my blog. First of all, we will see what is the meaning of the cost accounting. Cost accounting is a formal system for recording the cost in the books of accounts, by means of which cost of products and services are ascertained and controlled. By cost accounting, the organization get the information regarding the total cost of the product or service or per unit cost of the products. So cost accounting is a formal system for recording the cost, for keeping a check on the cost. Financial accounting is primarily concerned with the record keeping, directed toward the preparation of the statement of profit and loss and balance sheet. It provides the information regarding the profit and loss that the business enterprise is making and also its financial position on a particular date. We have cost accounting due to the limitation of the financial accounting, because financial accounting is concerned with the preparation of the profit and loss and balance sheet, and the financial accounting discloses us how much profit we have made or how much loss we have incurred during the financial year. It also indicates our financial position on the last day of the financial year. So financial accounting, because it does not tell us about the operational efficiency. By cost accounting, we could have the information regarding the total cost or the per unit cost. We could also have the information regarding the each element of the product. So we could apply the cost control and do the effort to reduce the cost. So what are the similarities between the cost accounting and the financial accounting? The cost accounting and financial accounting both are the branches of the accounting and they are related to each other. The main objective of both is to provide the information. Both are based on double entry system and their notes, they are supplementary, they provide the additional information. Both systems, they are quantitative in nature, they record the transaction which could be expressed in the monetary terms. Both systems show the cost and profit but in different ways. Transactions, they are recorded on some documentary evidence, that is the voucher and the invoices. Now we will be focusing on the difference. Financial accounting, the main focus is to show the profit or loss during the financial year. And what is the financial position of the organization, how much asset it has, how much liability it has on particular day, that is the last day of the financial year. But cost accounting, the objective is to provide the detailed information regarding the cost for the making of control and for making the decision making. Financial accounting is relevant for the external parties, but the cost accounting is useful for internally to the management for taking various decisions. Preparation of financial statement is compulsory under Company Act and income tax. It maintenance is voluntarily. With the exception of some organization, they have to maintain the cost accounting compulsory. Basically, the financial accounting reports the operational and the financial position at the end of the year. Financial accounting discloses the net profit or the net loss for the business as a whole. It discloses the profit or loss of a job or a process. It relates to the commercial transaction. Cost accounting relates to the manufacturing of goods and services. Financial accounting does not provide the information regarding the cost of production, so it will not provide any information in the fixation of the selling price, like the if you want to submit our quotation or tender, the financial accounting will not provide us the useful information. But cost accounting will provide us the useful information. It will provide us the information regarding the cost of production. It will help in fixing the selling price, and also we could prepare the tenders and quotation on the basis of the cost accounting record. Closing stock is valued at the cost or market price, whichever is less. It is stock is valued at the cost. Financial accounting is concerned with the historical figures, the cost which we have incurred, that is recorded in the financial accounting. It is a post-mortem of the historical record. Cost accounting also deals with the estimated figures. It does not make use of any control techniques because it only discloses how much profit we have, how much loss we have. It uses the control techniques like the standard costing, which standards are fixed for the material, labor and overhead on some technical basis. Budgetary control, marginal costing technique. And there is no provision in financial account for the control of the labor. Control on labor is exercised by computation of the idle time, overtime and the labor turnover.